ElectraCast.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use. Helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize. So you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for February 12th, 2026.
In northern Italy, Cortina d'Ampezzo will co-host the 2026 Winter Olympics and Paralympics with Milan. Events include alpine and Paralympic skiing at the Tofana Alpine Skiing Center on Tofana di Mezzo, along with bobsled, luge, skeleton, and curling at refurbished venues first used in 1956. Landsat 8 imagery has mapped the alpine terrain. Due to below-average early-season snowfall and rising global temperatures, many events will rely on manufactured snow stored in high-elevation reservoirs and powered largely by renewable energy, raising concerns about maintaining consistent winter conditions. In Costa Rica, NASA led the Carbon Dioxide Removal and Analysis of Tropical Ecosystems Research Project at Rincón de la Vieja National Park, partnering with the Universidad de Costa Rica, Chapman University, and Black Swift Technologies. Using an uncrewed aircraft system and 15 ground sensors, researchers mapped carbon dioxide emissions from volcanic fumaroles and studied how the gas disperses through the forest canopy. With atmospheric carbon dioxide rising from 315 parts per million in 1958 to 430 parts per million in 2025, the site serves as a natural laboratory for understanding ecosystem responses and improving volcanic monitoring. On February 10th, 2026, the Hubble Space Telescope released a detailed image of the Egg Nebula, about 1,000 light-years away in Cygnus. The image shows a dying sun-like star hidden within dense dust as it sheds its outer layers during the brief transition before becoming a planetary nebula. NASA and SpaceX are targeting 5:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, February 13th, to launch Crew 12 from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station aboard a Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon spacecraft. NASA astronauts Jessica Meir and Jack Hathaway will fly with European Space Agency astronaut Sophie Adenauer and Roscosmos cosmonaut Andrei Fedyaev for an 8-month mission, docking at approximately 3:15 p.m. Saturday, February 14th, as Expedition 74 continues health research, radiation monitoring, and station maintenance. NASA also permanently shut down the thermal infrared subsystem of the Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission and Reflection Radiometer on the Earth-observing satellite Terra to conserve power after more than 25 years in orbit, while other instruments continue collecting data. Finally, archival observations from NEOWISE indicate that a massive star in the Andromeda Galaxy collapsed directly into a black hole without a typical supernova explosion, providing rare evidence of a failed supernova. Those were the key activities for NASA on February 12th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
Hey, I'm DC. I host a radio show on multiple genres. There's rock, there's metal, there is country, and I talk to the artists, and I take those interviews from the radio, and I put them into a podcast, which is called Behind the Rock with DC. Check it out, Behind the Rock with DC, a podcast that brings you a little bit closer to the bands, a little bit closer to the artists. Please subscribe to the podcast today.
ElectraCast. ElectraCast.